What's happening?
Future coffee tour is happening.
Amazing.
Yeah, this future coffee box I got it from UK by the Plot Roasters. So this is the 28th box out of the 70 limited edition. Yeah, and let me show you what are the coffees we have in this box. So it's Excelsa from India and Canephora from India, and also Racemosa from Cultivar Coffee South Africa, and Inmaculada from Colombia. We have the Eugenoides from Colombia.
Awesome.
So
So let's look into it. How does the box look?
the box looks pink in color, which I'm loving it.
Nice.
And let me open this for you. We have the coffee card,
Okay.
which gives you a lot of information about the different species of coffee and also the roasters. Actually, we've been working with the plot roasters from past 4 years, and you can see different coffees here. This is the Excelsas, our Excelsas from India, and Canephora from India. This is our coffee, and also Racemosa from Cultivar Coffee South Africa from our friend Charles, and Eugenoides from Inmaculada, Colombia. So just waiting to taste this coffee and let me know how was it.
Amazing. Thanks, Managa.
You're welcome.